If silent or ringer switch is not working in your iPhone, then here is the fix. First of all, if you are putting that iPhone in a case, remove that case, and now with a toothpick or any device, just gently try to clean the empty area of that silent switch. Maybe some dirt material is stuck. Also, what you can do, which works very well, is take a toothbrush and try to clean the silent switch in every motions possible. Okay, try to clean it, because this is a toothbrush, so you don't have to worry that any damage can be done. So try to clean it and then try to use it and see whether this is working or not. Now if this is also not working, just go to settings and then go to accessibility option, tap on it, and now go to touch option and tap on assistive touch and turn it on, and now this assistive touch will appear anywhere, maybe here or here, whatever place you want to put it. And now wherever you go, this will follow you. Now tap on it and tap on device, and you can use this to put your phone in silent mode or non-silent mode. Okay, so this is also one workaround. This is not a fix, but a workaround for this. If this is also not working, what you can do, you can restart your iPhone and see if it is working or not. Thanks for watching. Please do like.